follow video, but I feel like I need to because I don't want it to come across as if me know attack like me a defend Tish pretending to the King and Shay. Bro, like me not ever say nothing about King and Shay in my video.
Oh, what that about?
Like the people them I say, me ask why the people them hate the girl. Me ask why and the people them I said people hate the girl because she must go do video for King and Shay.
Yes.
No, me never know that she do video for King and Shay. I was just addressing the fact. Right, I was just addressing turn on that babe. I was just addressing the fact that I see hate coming towards this little girl from all social media platform. And I still say she a try like me never didn't know say there was something going on with her differently from what I'm seeing. No, I mean I have nothing to say about that topic because I was not there. It's not my problem. Me not even watch the video because I'm legit not interested to figure out what she said in the video or whatever. Me love Shay. Me like King and Shay, but I love Shay. Probably choose Shay woman and me a woman. But I was a look out for woman and them thing. So any little video where King and Shay post, no me I go watch them. I go watch them. Cause King funny and Shay funny. So watch them video them. But me watch Shay video do where me hear Shay say she adjust the other person my mind kind of pick up say probably that the person that she talk about. But as me I said to Uno now, that was never the purpose of the video. So for everybody who got that in the back of them head, I say, oh, that was let me have phone. That was the purpose of the video. It wasn't. So please me don't want no code put in. Me don't have the time to put in no code. Thanks. But me know the code. I don't got no time to put in no code.
Well, me have time, don't you?
And your phone. Anyways, guys, let me go up on my own page. And I'm gonna read some comments. I'm going on my own page, guys, and I'm gonna read some comments that are based on the situation that's going on right now. Because I just need enough to understand where I'm coming from. The video was just meant to.
But what I'm saying, if you know, say that is a motivational video. Like.
Exactly. Me just do a little bit to motivate the little girl and say, yo, like, it doesn't matter the hate that's coming towards you. Just hold up your head. But also, wait, that's the reason I want to go up on the comments. I'm going to pause the video. I'm not going to play the video. I'm not going to play the video. I'm going to just read some of the comments then because somebody got as far as to say, people always accuse on black girls and I've never done a video defending black girls. Jaja. Alright, see it here. This one.
Black woman.
Like, when I get it. So this one is a very long and lengthy. This one is a very long and lengthy comment. This person is basically saying, because I did read it before, I never read everyone, but I did read this one because this one was long and so it came in. This one is from Janelle R. And this was sent 34 minutes ago. It was sent 34 minutes ago, but you guys will not see it word for word. I'm not gonna read it word for word because I can't read. But anyways, she's basically saying, I don't agree with bullying her, but I find it so weird that some of Una never had this energy towards darker skinned people when people tease them and disrespect them, but people will go over hills to defend people who self-hate themselves, whether someone bully them or encourage them not to bleach. Una never bring up those matters. I saw 2 of her videos encouraging the bleaching and you people don't have anything to say towards that. Over the years, many people get...
Hey, me master.
See what? Where you go?
What about this?
2 people can't use same mask. Put me the poop in it. Anyways, this person is saying, what you like to come park so far? Anyways, this person is basically saying that Cause she go as far as to say over the years many people get drugged because them bleach. Intense still get teased because of it. Keep the same energy when dark skinned people or people with tight hair patterns is being bullied about them black like tar or picky dry head girl. Like all people love stick up for people who want to be white. I feel like a lot of you guys misinterpret the video that I made. Because the video was basically for Trish. I didn't do a general video. I did state Tish name. I did say Tish, sorry about that too. I did say Tish, put your head right so let me tell you something. This was because of the hate that she personally was getting. I was not doing a general video. I am not saying that it is okay for every black skin girl or dark skin girl to go out and bleach. I never said that. I also never said that it is not okay for you to change your skin color if you want to. What I'm saying is when people make their decisions of what they want to do, we can be more respectful as how we come across to them. Because being disrespectful, hey girl, I know you're ugly, you look like scarecrow, hey girl, your braces them bend up, like things like that hurt people. Things like that hurt people, and that's basically what I did I try to say, guys. Like, but never did that like this girl I try to say. She never see people defend people where people call them bitch and stuff like that. I always defend people like that. I'm here one of the person where I always post and say, yo, accept your flaws, embrace them, because your flaws make you special. Your flaws make you different. And your flaws them make you no one. You get me? Your flaws make you important.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. So I don't understand why y'all gonna say this. Like, I've always said that. I've always said that. And then I go as far as, like, even today on my live, I did a live this morning and I was talking to people about the same thing, and I said, listen, you have persons out there we have with fat, and them have millions of followers on TikTok. Because what? People love them because of the meat that they carry. You have some skinny tall people. People love them same way. You have some nice, clean, good melanin people on TikTok. And the people they have followers. Then you have some white people, them have them followers, guys. I don't understand why every single thing when I have to try to turn it in a racist or colorist. Like, when you can't just see it and just take it for what it is. I basically was just doing a video for a little girl to motivate the little girl. Let the little girl know. So little girl, them a 8 pound. You must see it. I will know the 8 real, but just don't give up. Don't turn to suicidal thoughts.
Good.
Don't make people make you go take your life. Like, come and see the little girl do video. I say like how that don't know what she do. I say, oh God, the fact that it crossed her mind. You never know what can push her over the edge.
Don't think that, girl.
So I say, you know what? Alright, I want to do a video to motivate her. But the people them turn it the other way, star. And then you have some people who are gonna say, bro, like me never even know about the shade situation. Jelani, me don't want a party. Jelani, me not go back around this so.
Nah, go around this so.
Because you just grow on this so, Jelani.
Nah, go so. Me got the other one, then I'm a party this so. You're
too lie. You're too lie. You got your yard.
You look food at women, you look like you hold my belly.
Jelani, go home. I can't stop white rice and Jelani cook yam. And Jelani name the whole place. So I don't know what you must have breed.
Appetite is coming back. You tell me.
You must have breed because me not breed. So you pregnant.
Because
me know yam so. You breed yo.
Are you?
Me. Can't breathe, man.
I'm glad the appetite has come back, master.
Anyways, guys, as I just said, right? The aim of the video was not to defend anybody. It was not to tear down anybody. Like, I don't even know why I made that video yet, you know. The problem if I just left when I make on talk. It not even matter, I'm not going to talk either ways.
I'm going to double trouble. I'm going to put extra.
I'm going to talk either ways because the bottom line is I never say like, I don't say nothing wrong. All I say is a little girl been getting hate. I'm sorry for your dog. Like, do better than that, brother. You can't have your style little fitness so. Not because. And the bleaching name for ugly. You know some people bleach and it's ugly because they must chip up and cranny. Little girl bleaching, it is coming on fine. Yeah, she might catch cancer and them something, but I don't feel body.
True.
Enough people want to know now where bro did black. They did black one time.
Somebody not.
I only think them brown. Can only meet them brown, but a black smarty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna think some brown man a black pitney and then cuss and say enough for them. Because them been black all along, all they do a bleach.
I figured.
I catch a couple and then the members say they did blacks when they go breed them and now and baby come black. They this one baby. The time they have for them baby with kids.
Oh, this not turning for so much police to the father guy.
But yeah, that's basically what it is.
That's a fan there.
Bombard, could the people look through this, look through this, look through the
Police
could the cops.
Look my party there.
Jelani, me no want to go on a party place. In the full.
Full nothing, man.
It full. But you the party to the Jelani, your team
Oh,
was
soup,
drop out. The soup, not the soup done.
Oh yeah, my woman have a soft soup. The older man.
You know listen.
Yeah, let me take them, make a job
over
one.
this song. Jelani go down and shop go buy some tea.
Can't be no boil tea from man now, the man later.
You know boil it good.
Just fling cheese backside sitting in
I need to, me really, me stress out.
What's this?
I feel pain. I want to go home. I feel pain down here, so.
I'm going to get it off.
Jelani.
What? You see, I feel pain, I'm going to get it out of Jelani, I mean. People want pain to guide them, people don't want pain to keep on them and stay on them, brother. Like, what way I try to say? You think me attack sex?
That's your attack. That's your attack. I know that's your attack. I'm not idiot. Oh, you know, so I know that's your attack.
Okay, you give me that look there.
You give me
the look.
I'm not getting a look. You just know so I know that's your come with that's your turn.
You think me idiot, me know look, you know?
I'm not getting no look. You just know so I know say and that's your attack. But that's the reason why you jump. That's why you jump, right?
Come on, me.
Like me don't know you know say you look all you did not move, you know? You not move.
Mama, take your time,
Where am I push?
my ankle, baby.
Oh God. He's sexy to you know. He look about your wig.
Bounce so far.
But oh God. Oh God, if you push a big bikini, they put big bikini come out and push Granny.
Donkey's the rule, never fit you, you know.
Jaja Jesus.
I'm so donkey says so.
I don't feel like a girl sick.
Probably. You met so MP.
You don't look sick.
I'm going to
All them I make. All them I do. But Jesus, guys, be that show, you know, but can't take it properly. Oh God, this don't look real. I don't want to see a little lady tiny and I saw she hook over. And I push one little fat picnic, you know, for a fat picnic get up and go walk and make grandma, and make poor grandma get this piece. Oh God. And if you're smart, you know, see it, you know, because I see it through you. Poor grandma. Hello guys. That's basically what I was saying. Me gone. Yeah, me gone.